We're jumping back into the warp pipe again. Hey guys, Star Studios, and we're back with Luigi's engine room. We're gonna finish this today. We're gonna finish Luigi's engine room in the final 10 turns. Oh boy, chance time. Alright, well, here we go. Chance time. Wario and myself, what do we do? Wait. Is that pointless? It's pointless. It's the most pointless thing ever. He missed. He missed. He don't missed. 8. Where's even the star? Okay. Pipe maze. We have no control over this, so there's nothing we can do. It's an AI. I don't know what to do. I don't know where it's gonna go. I just know it's Peach, Wario, me, Donkey Kong. Really? Straight shot? To Donkey Kong? That's something. Wow. Okay. One player for Peach. What should she get? Ghost guess. It's whatever ghost moves first. It has a so. No? Yeah. Well, she loses 5 coins. Okay. Okay, so I need above a 4. Oh, wait, crap. Well, goodbye 69 coins. He stole 10 coins. Are you kidding me? Well, facelift, I think it's what it said. Oh, good. We had to match the face. Okay. I think. Wait, hold on. wait, if I were to pull... What? It's not recognized by press. Game? Oh boy. This should still win. Yep. Alright. Back to 69 coins. Oh boy. Oh no, I'm gonna get my star stolen. Well, goodbye, star. Dang it. Well. Oh, he missed. Oh, cool. Thanks, game. You know, I didn't want a star, per se. You know, this game is actually frustrating. I'm starting to get a little frustrated. But, you know... Piranha's Pursuit. Who's on the skateboard? Okay. What? What is it? 8? Hold on. Easy. Oh boy. Okay, there we go. I had to make sure. I'm playing with Switch Joy-Cons, so... Well, I don't know how that happened, but we'll take it. That was, the shortest round of Piranha's Pursuit I've ever played. Dun, 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 hey. Yeah. Alright, what's my one-player game? Oh, God. Teetering Towers. Jump across the top of the teetering towers. Depending on where you land, the tower is tilted in a different direction. Oh, boy. That's... Also, the game doesn't want to render my torso. Oh, wait, well, that's on me. I don't know how to play these mini games. I've only played this a little bit. Don't sue me. Two v two. Oh boy. Okay. I'm going to just let him mash the A button. Just let the AI mash the A button. I'm gonna just... Now you maybe think this is long, tedious, drawn out. I'm just... Oh, wait, shit. Go, 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 go. Go, Donkey Kong. Okay, and then the last one. What? Break. Beat the record by about 9 seconds. That's, yeah, that was probably the most long, tedious, drawn-out thing I've ever done. But you know what? It was worth it. Alright, we're on turn 15 right now. What is she doing? What is she cooking? What is she cooking? I don't know, she's gonna get money stolen from her, so I don't know what is Peach cooking? Well, alright. We can take a star. You know what? We're gonna take it from that We'll take it back from Peach. You know what? Cry about it. Woo! We got our star back. Well, it was Donkey Kong's star, I think. I don't know. I don't remember. Oh, boy. Well, he's going. Oh, damn it. Well, goodbye, Star. It was nice knowing you for the 12 seconds I had you. It's just because I'm in first place. God damn it. Well. Oh, yeah. Oh, he gets 20 coins. Because he's the 10th person to pass him. Alright. Heather Dash. Hey! Alright. It's all about getting a rhythm. And again, they fork it. Oh my god, he can steal a star again. Donkey Kong in first, Wario in second, me in third, and Peach in last. I will win again. Not likely, because last time you said that I lost. Oh boy, this is gonna be... Just a bit longer. Yep. Yep. That's certainly what I want to hear. Oh, just a bit longer, my good man. I'm gonna change it. Oh. Oh, balloon burst. And do a little practice, okay. I think I'm in the lead. 8. Oh no, what's she going to do? Surely she's not going to take coins from first place. At least they're smart, I'll give them that. Oof. Great. Actually, why not? I think, could be wrong. I think I rolled enough. I hit the mushroom. Give me a red one. Damn. Oh, that's actually good. Wait. Yeah, okay. We're fine. We're good. Wait, okay, good. We're good. Tipsy turning. Alright. Got it. Good. Wait, what? I did not see that rendered on there. Huh. Any more turns? Peach is poisoned. I'm poisoned. Wario. That was a 10. Is he gonna change the doors? No. Interesting move. They could prevent me from getting... Well, I'm poisoned. They could prevent me from getting the star, but not good matter. They're gonna roll a 3 anyway. What do you think was gonna happen? Oh no, he's gonna have 2 stars. Oh, wait, what? Huh? Wait, what? What's going on? What? I don't know what he's doing. What is he doing? What is he cooking? I don't think we should let him cook. Bowl over, okay. So, gotta run away from the Koopa Shell. Great. I say like it's a bad thing. It's a bad thing to get knocked over, but let's see. I don't know. Where's he gonna go with it? gonna put it in. Ooh. Well, at least I got there unscathed. That's good. Well, it's really gonna matter. What's really gonna matter is, I know I have a minigame. Donkey Kong, I think, is coin. So what needs to happen is I need to steal a star. But who is happening is the $1 million question. So, well, I don't know. Who does have happening? Who knows? Well, you did a good amount. Good for you, man. Okay, now to roll above a 3. Well, that sucks. Great. Perfect. 1v3. Bash and Cash. Against Wario. Well, hey, how much did he miss? How much money is he gonna miss? 25. So 10 coins went missing in the process. Well. Oh, it's the very last turn. Well, what can I do? I don't know who is happening. Everybody could have just won. I'd have to steal Donkey Kong because I know he's got coin. If I can get there. Please, game, give me above a 4. Damn it. He might take another. And that might just be the thing. That might have just made me lose. Oh, look, the party crash was supposed to clip. Well, Tug of War, why not? Oh, I'm no good at this game. No good at this dang game. Well, that depends. What lane orientation do they give me? This could be... Oh, boy. Well, let's take a look. One... Get over... What? Oh, damn. That's really quite unfortunate. We really could have had something big here. Well, it's 1-1 for DK and Wario, so let's see. DK's got coin, I know that, but do I have minigame? Yeah, I got minigame, but that's gonna be DK, so I think he won. Nick posted. Who? Donkey Kong. Okay, so he wins again. I might take him out the next board. See if I actually stand a chance. Well, I got second. I don't know if I can complain. I probably can't. Well, there were not that many stars. There was 5. There was not 7. Whatever. Well, the engine's back working. What's, Oh, shoot. How are we in the sky? Also, they do not like rendering his torso. So it's just nothing. How are we in this? Also, Peach is getting blown back and forth by Bowser. Well, that's 2 boards down. Also, they really do not like rendering any characters' torsos. The monkey wins again. He's... Alright. Yeah, I dominated minigame. I could have tied it. It wouldn't have mattered, but I could have tied it if I didn't land on that red space. No, wait. I don't think it would have mattered. No, it wouldn't have. Wow, he crushed happening. Okay, well. 76 more coins in the bank from me, and we're going to add 1 more star to that account. Well, I guess we're not going to see anybody else's screen because the monkey keeps winning. Well, thank you guys for watching part 2 of Luigi's Engine Room. If you guys enjoyed this video, stick around. You'll want to see Princess Peach's birthday cake next. It's a real treat, ain't it? Well, I'll see you next time.